One of the most underutilized utility on our mobile phone, I think, is the bedtime mode. This feature mutes calls, notifications, vibrations during choosing hours, so no one disturbs you while you sleep. To show you how to set it up, just on your mobile phone, go to Settings, look for Digital Wellbeing and Parental Control, scroll down and click on Bedtime Mode. Here you can turn on as scheduled. From here you can choose the days that you want to set up the bedtime mode. When you choose the days, you set scheduled. From here you can set your start time and the end time. Here, as you can see, I set from 19 till 7 in the morning. After that, you click Done. If you like, you can also set a bedtime alarm by clicking on Bedtime Alarm. It is just as simple as that. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thank you for watching.